GoWise Power Inverter is an advanced tool of power conversion. It can supply you with AC power converted from a DC power source. It can be used in cars, vessels, during camping and in power failure emergencies. Pure Sine inverters are a stable power source with 1500 W continuous power and 3000 W surge power with low harmonic distortion. This inverter is an excellent tool to use during power failure emergencies and guarantees maximum efficiency with computers, sensitive equipment and more. Compact and portable, this inverter can be used on work sites, boats, cars, camping or for permanent use. The PS1003 features 5 kinds of protection systems: thermal protection, overload protection, over-voltage protection, under-voltage protection, low-voltage protection alarm. Inverter also comes with an LED light that indicates the problem. Your purchase comes with black and red cables with ring terminals, a remote switch, an inverter with 3 AC sockets and 1 USB port 5 volts, and a detailed instruction manual. Top reviews from the United States. Runs fine fully load. My third GoWise inverter. This 1500-watt unit surprised me. Handled a tea kettle, or a full microwave, or an autodrip coffee maker no problem. Loads were measured 1100 to 1500 watts. Problems most people have are: don't use the supplied cables. Get 4 Aruban fluorines or thicker cables to carry the amperage needed for 1500 watts. Get a battery set capable of producing 1500 watts, or 130 amps. So 2100 Ah lithium batteries or 3100 Ah lead acid batteries.